Yeah, we in Bulgaria getting a tattoo. I'll be honest with you all, it hurts. It hurts. A lot.
What the girl them scream when I walk down the street? What the girl them scream when they run into me? What the man them say when I step on the
Sofia. Peoples, we in Bulgaria. We in the oldest country in Europe. We've come to the end of this amazing Euro trip, and today is day one in Sofia, the capital, which is one of the oldest European settlements, dog. It's time to catch some breakfast / brunch. Brat moi, brat, put that there, man, brat, yeah, put that there. I come for some good food, man. I come for some good food. What should I eat? Bagel? Alright. Yeah, folks. That's some big boy food here. And that's. I had a tremendous breakfast.
My name Galin Ichko mi enarед. Тъй, че спокойно си гледам напред. Казано честно всичко, че спокойно си гледам напред.
Nice.
Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, baby, kiss me.
Art Club Museum. How does a museum and a barn diner? Yeah, brat. Yeah, brat. Yeah, put that there. Come here. Where's the museum? So this is called museum, but it's not a real museum.
Yes, but if you want, there is a path here.
All around. Rakia? Rakia. Let's get some rakia. Let me see what you got. Rakia. We looking for rakia, peoples. Let's go, people. Rakia. Let's go. You know, rakia. Boom, rakia. Yeah, one shot. What you got the ice to? We gonna put one. Look, people. We gonna put 1 cube of ice, right? I don't know why. Nah, it's a shot, no? I don't need no ice. It's a shot. How strong is this? How much percent?
50, 40. Yeah, it's 40.
Goddamn! That shit hot. We don't need a block, guys. That's hot. Hot fire. Hot down. Look, rakia. I gonna go to the city garden. Bless. God bless. I might pass later. Get another shot of rakia. People, we made it. I don't know what the hell this is here though. C'est la vie. This is the life. You only live once, you know. Do the maximum. Do the most you can do with one, bro. You never know when you're gonna die. Every single day, treat it like the last. That's what I always tell you, because that's how I really feel in my heart, bro. You never know when you're gonna die, so live like to the max, bro. I try to make sure that when my grandkids look at these videos and pictures, they be like, damn, granddad was having his fun, and they be inspired to chase their dreams and to invest all their energy into their passions. Boom! Listen, we got some Hungarian beverages in the house. What's the name of the place?
This cafe?
Yeah.
Mausolea.
Monzalea.
Yes.
What makes you proud about being Bulgarian? Like when you're Bulgarian.
Our history, our language, our everything. We have a very beautiful country, and we are proud to be here as a part of this country.
I would. If you were to choose one country you could live in, apart from Bulgaria, what country would it be?
One, my favorite country is Spain. Another one is France, and maybe Barbados. I want to
Boom! Put out there. Boom! Listen, people. He said Barbados. Listen. You like the beach?
Yeah.
What Bulgarian food should I try?
Banitsa. This is banitsa. That's banitsa. Bulgarian popular food.
Brat, where you from, bro?
Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. Sofia.
Sofia.
Listen, people, I'm about to get another tattoo. I have one so far. I'm about to get number 2, man. I here with my brat. What's your name, bro?
Lucien.
We here with Lucien.
Yes.
Lucien about to give me another tattoo, bro.
Yes.
I need another tattoo, bro.
This is hot water.
Is it okay as a drink?
No, it's not okay for drink. Come.
Let's see.
Here no good for drink. It's hot. Too hot, brother.
This is my first time drinking hot water, people.
This is not for drinking this water, brother.
I might die, people. Dog. Take a drink.
No, I'm not drinking here. No, bro.
I had to try it, bro. I had to get the word Balkan tattooed on me, people. Yeah, we in Bulgaria getting a tattoo. I only had one so far, but we need another one. I'll be honest with you all, it hurts. It hurts. A lot.
Sestra moi.
Yeah, put out there. What you saying now?
Moi sim.
What you saying?
My son, tell me.
Aqui é whisky.
Listen, people, Rakia whiskey. This is you? Fancy.
Yeah.
Picasso.
Bela.
Bella. Bell.
Bel. Parno.
Bell.
Calé.
Behave. Yo.
Bela.
Bella. Stop barking at me. What's that? Go down. Alright, people, we outside. Yes, sir. I'll see you later. Man. Man, look, people. I always wanted more tattoos, bruh. I legit just went into an apartment and just got some tattoos, bruh. Where the hot springs, people. Hot springs. Surgical hot springs. Listen, they say the water here is heal. Ain't got no springs for it. Oh, I see a spring over here. Listen, but listen. These springs hot. This ain't no like lukewarm, no cold water. These springs hot. Remember some a little dash of water. What's a little light skin? Look at the next one. It's a little light skin face fall, yeah? Today has been extremely out of the box. So far, we had an extravagant brunch. I got 2 tattoos, bro. Like, I can't even see this tattoo. Yeah, it's so black. And I got one on my neck, bro. Like, bro, it's so black. You can't even see what this you can't even see what this tattoo says, bro. It's so black. Every country on the planet has a version of fried dough. This is deep fried dough. Be my guests. If you want a napkin also, if you don't want. The fried dough dishes, like donuts, with kids and mangoes, people. Historically, we believe they might originate the Bear Bears in Morocco. I don't know